Hello guys, welcome back into my another video. I know you know about it. As you know guys, this is our ninth video of today, second last video of today on 8th December 2024. Let's start it without wasting your time. Just to learn and get some information together. Let's start today's video, okay? Imagine diving into the wild world of MrBeast's extreme river rafting adventure, a thrill ride that is not just about adrenaline but also about smart finance. Okay, today we are breaking down how this epic journey is a masterclass in both excitement and financial savvy. Okay, first off, let's talk about the investment. MrBeast is known for his extravagant challenges, as you know, and this adventure is no exception. He has put a significant resources into creating a unique experience that draws in millions of viewers. But here is the kicker: every dollar spent in an investment in content that generate even more revenue through sponsorships and ad revenue. It's a cycle of reinvestment that keeps his brand thriving. Now think about the logistics. Organizing an extreme rafting adventure is not cheap. Okay, from safety gear to expert guides, MrBeast ensures everything is top notch. Okay, just imagine this, guys. This level of preparation not only enhances safety but also elevates the overall experience, making it worth every penny for participants and viewers alike. And what is meaning of penny? If you don't know, you can ask any question to me. Okay, I am here just for you to respond and answer you. Okay, if you want any information about any word, about anything, just place your question in the comments. Okay, let's not forget about audience engagement. MrBeast understands his audience deeply. By offering thriving experiences, he keeps the viewers hooked and encourages them to participate in future events or challenges. This builds a loyal community that translates to sustained financial success. Finally, consider the impact on brand partnerships. Companies want to associate with high energy content that showcases their products in a fun way. This adventure opens up numerous opportunities for collaboration, further boosting MrBeast's financial portfolio. And as you know, just imagine, okay. In conclusion, MrBeast's extreme river rafting adventure is not just a thrill ride. It's a smart financial strategy wrapped in excitement. It's a proof that when you blend passion with strategic investment, you can create unforgettable experiences that pay off big time. Bye for now. If you have any question, if you are thinking about something, just paste your question, your knowledge in the comments, then I will spread it and I will answer you. Okay, bye for now.